The Bombay High Court had directed the Maharashtra government to make a statement as to whether it would be registering an FIR or not in the Badlapur encounter case, as there was a magisterial inquiry which indicted the policemen who were involved in the encounter. However, there was no clear reply that really came in the forefront. I'm joined by Advocate Amit Katarnaware, who represented the petitioner in this case, and let's speak to him. What exactly did the state say when the court kept asking them as to whether they are going to do anything with the ADR and whether they are going to register FIR or not?
Simple thing, whatever the case law has been tendered, my learned senior counsel, who is opposite in this case, that 174 ADR inquiry, which is under section 170 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, it cannot be resulted into FIR against the police officer. It's an inquiry. Secondly, they had submitted the investigation is going on. The question arises, can an investigation which they are alleging that it could result in trial of Akshay Shinde because he's a dead person? Now third question arises, the judicial magistrate first class inquiry report is concerned. There are clear findings that these 5 police officers are responsible, and when the prima facie case is made out, it is mandatory and imperative upon the state to register an offence and let it to be in a conclusion. On that aspect, I had made my respectful submission. What the importance of the judicial magistrate first class report is, I had made the respectful submission, and therefore the matter is kept for tomorrow.
Okay, during the hearing, we did see the parents, the petitioners, in fact, telling the court that they did not want to pursue this case any further. Now, what was the reason for that?
The reason for that, the court has asked the reason, but I am not satisfied by the reasons which they had been given before the court. And before the court, I only have to speak. But at present, the reasons cannot be disclosed right now, because I will disclose the reasons, which is the matter sub judice before the Honorable Court.
Okay, so in the court, the petitioners were asked by the bench as to why they did not want to pursue this further, and that were they under pressure. They clearly told the court that they were not under the pressure, and that the only reason why they wanted to withdraw the petition now was because they didn't want to do all the running around that was involved. Their daughter-in-law, that is Akshay Shinde, the deceased person's wife had delivered a child, so they wanted to look after the child. So all that kind of reasons was given by them for withdrawing from the case. Now the court will really have to decide what it wants to do in this case any further if the petitioners want to withdraw. But in the meantime, the court, after hearing both the state as well as Amit Katarnaware, the petitioner's advocate, said that it would pass an interim order on this entire petition, which had sought an FIR, an investigation by the Special Investigation Team in this case. Vidya in Mumbai for India Today.